is that? I don't know where that's coming from. It does sound like it's coming from above me. That is mad crazy. It's like 3:30 in the morning.